not for me particularly, but for the nation generally. I will just give a brief response. I think it's a very grandiose plan. It is a projection, but as you know, the taste of as a pragmatist, the taste of the pudding is in the eating, right? The budget offers a lot of promises for all age groups. The question now is delivering on the promises. One has to look at the ability of the government delivering on the budget in relation to what is happening within the economy at this particular point in time. As a matter of fact, the Minister of Finance himself said that all the major areas of economic development, particularly those that generate foreign exchange, all has been underperforming. And the fact is that they continue to underperform. But more than that, one must take into account the fact that these very areas of economic activity will be seriously challenged as a result of the El Nino phenomenon. One cannot say at this point in time what impact that will have on the ability of these areas of activities to deliver based on the projections given.